Welcome to the Optimum CAD solution. I am Pankaj Ratnaparki. Once again will start the discussion on a free online course that is Plastic Product Design and Advanced CATIA. Today we are going to open the new chapter in automobile plastic, that is interior trim design. So this is the first video of our interior trim design course. So kindly follow our YouTube channel for the next videos. So let's move towards the course content. During this course, we are going to cover an introduction to the automobile interior trim design, injection molding, common feature, mold design for automotive parts, secondary operation, preparing the models, draft and surface analysis, the creation of a geometric set and model tree in a CATIA, then surface creation in a CATIA tool, advanced surfaces in a CATIA tool, close volume methodology in a CATIA tool, parting line concept, engineering features, power copies, automotive trim design part design, and the different type of tutorials to practice the trim design. So the first one that we are going to cover, that is introduction to the automotive interior trim design. So it includes an introduction and overview of a automotive industry, automotive interior trims, styled parts in automotive trim, introduction to the plastic trims. So let's see the first introduction and overview of a automobile industry. The word automobile came from the French, an ancient Greek word of autos means self and Latin word mobile means movable. So simply, the automobile means a vehicle that moves itself. The automotive industry is an extremely large, driven by a globalized organization which having the business facts, employing thousands of people which having a common goal to produce the world-class vehicle. The complex structure must stay one step ahead of its competition with the quality, the customer satisfaction and new technologies to build the better product. The automaker conduct a market study firstly, analyze the customer requirement, style the vehicle as per the requirement and then test the new concept vehicle. Engineers and designer then incorporate the critical information into a vehicle design. Finally, we get a safe, stronger and reliable vehicle. The designing and engineering of a vehicle must meet the customer satisfaction. You can see the journey of a vehicle from the first vehicle in the world to the latest vehicle available in the market. Those are the few famous automaker companies. So we'll move towards the next point, that is automotive interior trim. So we'll move towards the next point, that is introduction to the automotive trims. So during this, we are going to see how to create a plastic parts, manufacturing process of a interior plastic, concept of a interior trim, common CAD function used in a plastic trim, common plastic terminologies, and design rules to create the trims. So basically, what is the trim? Why the trim concept came in automobile? The trim is simply defined as the surfaces which defines the geometrical shape of a component which having an aesthetic overview in the vehicle. The trim are the surfaces which inspired from the style and modified by applying and engineering. So style is called as a A surface in a design. The added thickness is called a B surface and joining all the surface are nothing but the closed volume, that is the C surface. So during the next sessions, we will clear the concept of a styling surface and engineering surface. So let's move towards the next point, that is automobile trim. As we know that there are many parts in the car. The trims are all aesthetic parts that do not add any functionality to the vehicle which enhancing the aesthetic and cooling factor. They are divided into the two, that is interior trim and exterior trim. Interior trim design includes the dashboard, instrumental panel, different type of controls like a central console, floor console, driver console, co-driver console, then door assembly and exterior trim. The exterior trim can make the car more beautiful, fashionable and meet about the aesthetic and individual need of a customer. The examples like a bumper, headlight, wheels are nothing but the exterior trims. So mainly there are two types of trims. First one is a hard trim and next one is a soft trim. We'll start with the soft trim. Simply the layer of a leather or a foam skin on a plastic part are called as a soft trim. The soft trim is designed over the hard trim, which having some leather or a foam skin. The function of a soft trim to feel some luxurious inside the vehicle and feel some safety or a smoothness on a plastic part. The setting is a first example of a soft trim. Door soft trims. So to put the handrest and some luxurious feel, the soft trims or a soft skin is applied on a door. Different type of pillar covers like a B, C and D pillars are designed by the soft trims. And in some luxurious vehicle, you can see soft skin on a dashboard. Next one, that is the hard trim. So simply the plastic part that having the particular wall thickness, aesthetic in the shape and engineered to assemble in the vehicle are called as a hard trim. Simply all interior plastic parts are an example of a hard trim. So in the hard trim, first one, the door assembly or a door trim. Those are the few important components in the door trim. The first one, that is the substract. Substract, it means overall the door trim, plastic door trim. Next one, that is the switch bezel. So we can see here the different bezels or electrical control bezels designed on a door assembly. Then map pocket or a magazine pocket. To store some magazines, the pocket is incorporated into the door. So fourth one, that is the armrest. So here is the armrest in a door assembly. As we discussed previously, on the hard trim of a armrest, you can see the layer of a soft trim here. Then door lock side cover, then top roll, speaker bezel. So you can see here the speaker bezel. Then coin holder, this is an additional, and as per the different type of a vehicle and requirement, it is get designed or incorporated in a door trim. Then ash cup or a coffee cup, then pull cup, door triangle. You can see here the door triangle from which the mirror assembly is get mounted. Then weather strip and child lock. So here is the child lock. So those are the different important components of a door trim. So next one, that is instrumental panel or a console of a car. An instrumental panel or a dashboard is assembly of all control panels, controllers, instruction instruments, modern features, comfort features of a car placed at the front of a vehicle above the CCB and firewall in front of a driver, and driver can indicate and operate the vehicle. The different assembly name like instrument panel, dashboard, cockpit, fascia, etc. This located ahead of a vehicle driver to control the vehicle and operate the necessary functions. IP, that is the instrumental panel, is located on a CCB, that is cross cover beam. This is an example of an instrumental panel and a dashboard with the floor console of a right hand drive vehicle. So you can see this is an instrumental panel. So this is the meter. Those are the air vents. So those are the air control vents, and below that there is a HVAC unit. This area is called as the driver console, and exactly opposite that there is a co-driver console. So central area is nothing but the central console, and which includes the cluster and controllers like a music system, then different type of controls, headlights and other controls. All the switches are at the central console. The floor console includes the coin holder, mechanical brake slot, and for the rear passengers there are the air vent provision also given. So at the co-driver side you can see the speaker bezel grill, HVAC register, then glue box available. So this one is another example for an interior parts inside the vehicle. So the next one, as in the previous discussion, the term CCB is came. So what is the CCB? The cross car beam is a structural part, not a trim part, but it is most important while mounting and supporting the dashboard and instrumental panel, then cockpit, floor console, etc. So we'll see in the detail. So cross cover beam, that is the CCB, is a structural member located under the instrumental panel in the most of the vehicle. The CCB are a complex part which having an important contribution to make a stable and safe vehicle. As a single cross struct in the vehicle interior, they are ensured that in the event of a single impact, the passenger compartment is not compressed. The cross car beam, that is CCB, also hold the steering wheel, airbags and entire dashboard. Depending upon the model, CCB can be manufactured and designed, and material is normally steel and aluminum. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. In the next video, we will continue the interior trim design. So guys, do not forget to watch the part 2 of the interior trim design. If you're not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share the videos and do not forget to hit the bell icon.